Hello buddies and welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you insert a SIM card to your Google Pixel 7. For that you want to find your SIM card slot, and on this phone it's on the left side here. Then you want to take your SIM card ejector that normally is in the box your phone comes in, or you can also use a simple paper clip. Then you want to go to the side, then you just carefully press in that little hole and then take out the SIM card slot. Then you take your SIM card. Now you put it back in the phone, and now when you turn on your phone again, it asks you for your SIM pin, and then your SIM card is unlocked. Then you just need to unlock your phone, and then you can see here on the little bar that you have service. You can also go to your settings, network and internet, and there you see Kongstar. This is our provider, so now you can make calls, send SMS. That's how you put in a SIM card to your Google Pixel 7. Hope it helped, hope you like it. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.